Napapanaginip ka kahit saan magpunta. Thank you, 1 million. Thank you, 1 million. Who's the 1 million? Araw gabi, nasa isip ka, papanaginip kahit saan nagpunta. Araw gabi. Hi, Mike. You're up late, yeah. I'm watching my I'm watching my own live. Oh my god. I'm watching myself. Yeah, yeah, I'm up late. How are you doing? What are you doing? Araw gabi, nasa isip ka, papanaginip ka, kahit saan nagpunta. Araw. Nice. Now you have another phone that you should help doing your live streaming. Yeah, it's help. I'm watching I'm watching myself. Oh my god. Thank you, 5 million, 9 million here. Thank you so much. Hi, Alexander Ferreira. Thank you. Are you so beautiful and wonderful, my love? Marry me. Marry you. Araw gabi, nasa isip ka, napapanaginip kahit saan nagpunta. Araw gabi. Well, now you can see yourself. What do you think? I think. Oh my god. Okay. Hello, Sam. GTV vlog. Hi, mom. Thank you for joining po. Well, now you can see yourself. Are you a single mother? Why? Hi, GTV from Mike. Bakit po natanong? Thank you, 2 likes. Linda Alexandra. Hi, Alexandra from Brazil. Hi, 22 people. 3 likes. Hello po. Araw gabi. Because I'm very interested in you. Really? Yata. Boy. Di nga. Thank you for the likes po. Of course. Thank you for 5 likes. Good morning, sunshine. Hi, Artie. Thank you po. Santosh Radhe. I'm turning 48. Okay. I You're so beautiful. Really po. Thank you, 6 likes. Thank you so much. 15 people in the house. You need a massage. Hi, Jamie Moore. Sir Jamie, how wild thing. Sir Jamie, wild thing. Oh my god. How are you, Sir Jamie? Have a nice day. Araw gabi nasa isip ka. Thank you, 9 likes. Like Danos, happy live stream. God bless. Hi, Jess Rocker. Guapa Cheryl. Thank you po, Jess Rocker. It's cold, Cheryl. Not cold here. Warm weather here in the Philippines. Here in Bicol. Maybe it's cold there in US. So cold, so freezing. Thank you sa padikit, Leonie Ariola. Thank you po. Iwan ka po ng bakas para mabalikan po kita. Salamat. 33 degrees today. Still cold. Thank you. Hey, Gerga. Hey, Golden Blade. Thank you for 15 people in the house. 11 likes. It's cold there. No, not cold. Not cold. Buenos dias, mi belle, ¿cómo estás? Hello, beautiful. Hi, Burnett Webster. Hello po, Burnett Webster. Kiss, 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 kiss. Pedro Salva. Hi po. Golden, her name is Sheryl, not Honey. Thank you, Jess Rocker. Yeah, my name is Sheryl. Danny. Hi, Danny. Sa diba kapag kapiling ka araw-gabi araw-gabi sa Gabriel. Naka-live ako. Kay doon ka pa. Gabriel, naka-live ako, Gab. Sorry. Yawning. I'm always 20 people. Thank you po. Aray ko. Araw-gabi. Looking good. Looking good. Um, what? You are so delicate, so perfect. Marry me. I'll go to your country, we'll get married, and I'll bring you to live here with me. Do you marry me? Oh my god. Marriage is not so simple. Thank you, Classic. Golden. Can we make it 20 likes? So, thank you, Jess Rocker. Thank you so much. Thank you for I love you, smile. Thank you, Ardy. You're manifesting JSRS. It happens. I love your smile. Thank you. Hello, Jess from GTV blog. Hi, Roy. I'm Bicolana. Yes, Bicolana. Yes, I am. Do you have a man in your life? I have son. I have my father. I have my brother. Soon, I have a husband. Hello, everyone from GTV blog. Hi, mom. Good evening po. Philippine life looks so stress-free. Looks so stress-free. Medyo naano ako doon ah. Hi, Ryan from GTV Vlog. Oh, Lord. Hi, Sir Fred. Her relationship with others is of no concern. Yep. Please, viewers, this is not a dating site. Please respect the host channel. Thank you. Thank you, Mike. Guapa Grace. Ay, Ma'am Grace, attendance check na po. Attendance check. Hi, friend from Jess. GTV vlog. Hi, Mike. Attendance check. Hi, Rocker, Mike, and GTV. Good eve, Kuya Fred from GTV vlog. Hi, greetings from Mexico. Hi, Enrique Martinez from Mexico. Good evening, sir. Wow. Hello, Enrique from GTV vlog. No blushing, Sharon. No blushing. Oh my God. Nung dalaga ka pa, dami siguro wala. Hindi ako kagandahan. Wala. Roy, wala. Wala. Walang nagkamali. Kasi kung kagandahan ako, dapat may anak na ako, may asawa na ako, pinakasalan ako. Wala. Hindi ganun ka, hindi ako ganun kagandahan. Muhammad, I will show you the way. Way. Oo nga. Anong way ka dyan? Oo nga. Hindi. May naligaw sa akin nun, Roy. Kaso friends lang. So, wala nga. Fred, please pay your electric bill. You're cheating us, viewers. Sige na nga. She's Kuya Fred. Yeah. Roy, she still has many chasing her. Naniniwala ako. When I'm teenage life, no, I think I'm boyish. So that's why no manliligaw masyado. Walang manliligaw masyado. The way I dress when I'm teenage, I look boyish. So I'm not girly I'm not girly. That's why no sweethearts. Stick together. Padikit everyone. GTV vlog. Dikit nyo na si Ma'am TV, si Ma'am Grace. What's coming? I'm not is coming enough. Sir Fred. Right, she's those. How's the third language doing, GTV? Can we get the 20 likes? Oh my god, 20 likes. Oh my god, G is rocker. You're doing great. Your words just happened. Thank you so much for the support. Silent ko your friend. My god, one more 20 likes na. Thank you po. Thank you guys. Silent. No. Oh my god. My third long is not good today without you. Takes me hours to get 20 likes. Thank you for the 20 likes. Thank you so much. Thank you to the someone sending the heart so much. Thank you po. I need to grow bigger bobbies to get more likes. Thank you, Sir Fred. Hello, Miss Cheryl. Hi, Sir Danielle Rodriguez. Can we make it 30 like shot? Oh, thank you, Sir JS Rocker. Oh my god. Yeah, more likes for Kuya Fred. Thank you, Sir JS. Like, subscribe, share, and support. Thank you po, GS Rockers. Paluwala ka, naka-live ako. 21 people, 21 likes. Oh my god. It's likable day. Bigger bubbles, bigger likes. Pero kay binutang pa doon, alam mo naka-live ako. Mano ka, mano ka. I'm going a mic, get to Philippines as fast as you can. How are you doing? I'm doing live. Sir Danielle. Hey Danielle from GTV Vlog. Sheryl likes us beautiful as ever. My god. Wow. Even more now. And handsome soon. Handsome soon. Hello GTV Vlog from Sir Danielle Rodriguez. Someone say husband. Wow. Someone say husband. Thank you 14 people in the house. Thank you so much. 21 likes. Why wow? 18 people. Hi love lady. Hey Ray Bustings. Husband soon. Good job Mike. Cheryl face is glowing. Oh my god. Where's on the bar, Cheryl? Oh my god. Who's the lucky fella? Who's the lucky fella? Who's Cheryl? Surprise. 25 people here. Thank you so much. For sure, not you, Kuya Fred. Not me, I'm married. Yeah. And yes. Oh my god. Can we make it 30 like chat? Thank you, po. Thank you, Jess Rucker. She was supposed to me. Oh my god. She was. Sir Fred. Only because I'm already taken Grace. Oh my god. Yeah, Jess. Oh, Jess Rocker and his girlfriend, Mom Grace, are so beautiful. She's also a blogger, YouTuber. Beautiful. Thank you for the 23 people, 23 likes. Thanks a lot. Then that only leaves Mike and he not saying nothing. Then that only leaves Mike. Then he not saying nothing. Thank you for 23 likes. Hey people, how are you? Hi Rick. Good evening. If I was not already taken, she will be on VC with me right now. Oh my god. Surges. The best. Alexander. He must had a heart attack looking at beautiful Sheryl. Hello Rick from GTV Vlog. 24 people. My love. Alexander. Good morning, beautiful Crossledge. Hi, Crossledge. Where, Alex? Yeah, where are you from, Alexander? Alexandre. Where are you from? No, the wedding I will be on my mountain. Sir Fred, your home in the mountain is so beautiful. For sure, shell on the top of the top of the mountain. Dipolog, the Dipolog. Wow. Dipolog, not the mountain home. Yeah, Dipolog is a place. Hi, Sir John. Good evening, Sir John. Buena Vista, Mindanao, GTV. Mindanao. Thank you for joining po, Sir John. Dipolog is my subdivision house. Okay. Nice to see you po. Nice to see you too po, Sir John. Okay. Copy Kuya Fred. When Mike and Cheryl come here, I will show both home, sold them. Both homes sold them. Oh. Hey, good evening, Cheryl. Bama in the Philippines. Hi, Bama in the Philippines. Good evening po. Mhm. Hello, thanks. Hello, how are you? And how should father doing? I'm fine. My father doing. He sleeping now. Lol, Fred, lol. Mike and Cheryl. Hey, Fred. Bama, hello from GTV. Vlog. Mhm. Mhm. It's true, Rick. I know different Fred. Huh? Different. Hi, Bama from JS Rocker. You're trying to see. You're trying to. You're trying to see your her boyfriend. You're trying to see your her boyfriend. Sorry, I was shaving. What I miss? Hey, Rocker, Bama, and the Philippines. Mm, 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 mm.